Hey everybody, it's Julia from ThermApparel. We're going to do some quick Facebook Live videos just to answer some questions that people have been asking lately. Right now, everybody's starting to travel again. Yay! Because things are opening up, we're getting lots of questions. And the main question we're getting is, can I take my UnderCool Cooling Vest on the plane? And the answer is maybe. We've had customers tell us that yes, they haven't had any issues wearing it through security or having it in their checked luggage and getting on the plane with it. And then we've had other customers tell us, no, that I could not wear it through security and I could not put it in my carry-on luggage. The official word from the TSA, because they do have, let me back up, they have a visual guide that can show you everything you can and cannot take on the plane. And there is nothing in there about cooling vests. So their final word is, the final decision rests with the TSA officer on whether an item is allowed through the checkpoint. So our tips for traveling with your UnderCool cooling vest are, unless you need it to keep you cool on the plane, just put it in your checked luggage. The other one is always, always, always travel with the cooling packs in their solid state, like this, not like this, in their liquid state, for a couple of reasons. One is there's, 3-ounce rule. You can only have 3 ounces of liquid if you take it in on your carry-on luggage. And also, any TSA agent that sees this go through the x-ray machine will most likely raise a red flag and want to see what's in your luggage, because it looks a very odd, liquidy, possibly questioning what the heck this is. And so if it comes in through its solid state, it's not considered a liquid, it's considered a solid, and it can go through easier. The other one is you can carry a medical note from your doctor telling them why you need the cooling vest. And the other thing is you can download, print, and carry with you the ThermApparel safety data sheet, which I have a copy of it right here. So it would give the TSA agent and anybody that needs the information as to what's the composition of the cooling fluid, what's the flammable properties of it, what's the physical and chemical properties of it, what's the regulatory information of it, the hazards, the SARA, the 302, the 313, everything that you could possibly need to prove that it's good to go. The other thing is that the TSA has a TSA notification card. It's a notification individuals with disability and medical conditions. Now this is obviously a very large version of it, but you can download it from their website and print it out, fill it out, and take it with you when you go through TSA security. And we have all of this information on a blog on our website that says how to prep for the TSA and can I take my UnderCool cooling vest on the plane with me. So if you have any questions at all, you can always reach us via live chat on our website. You can call us or you can send us an email, and we're happy to answer any questions. So travel safe this holiday weekend, have a great time, and stay cool.